Looking for a shampoo that truly repairs damaged hair instead of just masking the problem? Olaplex No.4 Shampoo promises exactly that, turning dry, brittle strands into soft, shiny, and stronger hair you can actually feel. If your hair has suffered from heat, coloring, or just everyday wear and tear, this product offers a noticeable change you don't want to miss. What makes Olaplex stand out is its patented bond-building technology. Unlike traditional shampoos loaded with silicones or oils, this formula uses a single powerful molecule that works deep inside your hair. It reconnects broken bonds, the very foundation of hair strength, which means you get lasting protection and repair from within. This shampoo doesn't just clean, it nourishes and rebuilds your hair structure, reducing split ends and taming frizz along the way. I've tried countless shampoos, but Olaplex No.4 feels different right from the first wash. You only need a tiny amount, less than a quarter size, and it lathers beautifully, so a bottle lasts a long time. For someone with oily, shoulder-length hair like mine, washing every other day is easy, and the faint scent is a nice bonus that doesn't overpower. Whether your hair is curly, straight, or somewhere in between, this shampoo adapts and delivers real results. If you want a shampoo that does more than just clean, one that actively repairs and protects your hair from damage, Olaplex No.4 is worth a look. It's free from formaldehyde, parabens, sulfates, and gluten, making it a gentle choice for sensitive scalps too. This isn't about quick fixes. It's about giving your hair the care it truly needs to stay healthy and resilient over time. Ready to upgrade your hair care routine? Try Olaplex No.4 Shampoo when you're ready to see your hair transform. Experience the difference of a shampoo that rebuilds your hair's strength from the inside out and enjoy softer, shinier, and more manageable hair every day.